We can all think about whatever goes wrong in society, what we believe is not a just thing. What we believe is inequality. What we believe is a violation of our freedom. What we believe is exploitative. What we believe is a detrimental action or impact on the environment. We may think about a lot of things that go wrong in society, that we believe to be wrong. But what defines that wrong? It would probably be law. It would be a code of conduct which would define the morality, the acceptable behavior. It would be a law that would define a crime. And that is the biggest gap that exists. Anything that you may think about that you believe is the wrong thing in the world, in society, किसी बारे में आप सोच लीजिए कि ये गलत है, पर आप जो भी सोचेंगे गलत है, जब आप उसको ठीक करने पे आएंगे तो ठीक करने के लिए किए जाने वाला कोई भी एक्शन या तो कानून की परिधि में होगा या कानून के अनुपालन की. ईदर इट वुड बी विद इन द एम्बिट ऑफ द लॉज or it would be in the ambit of the enforcement or implementation of those laws and policies. But laws may be unjust. Laws may be unequal. Laws may not exist. Laws may be inadequate. Laws may not be implemented. Laws may be implemented, but after years and years and years of struggle. What is the one thing that is going to change, the one formula, the one key that is going to change the notion of whatever we believe to be a wrong in society? And that is my access to justice, your access to justice, even the trees' access to justice, even the environment's access to justice. And justice which is not a subject of the benevolence of the state, justice which is not a duty, justice which is not something that I am the recipient of and somebody else is giving, justice which is my right. And to propose the idea of why and how we can correct the wrongs in society. What are the gaps that exist in laws and their implementation? When I came across all these issues in the last 20 years, I realized that the answer has to be beyond whatever we have thought till today. And that key became justice as a fundamental right. A right which is enshrined in the Constitution. A right which is clear, a right which is unambiguous, a right which is accessible, a right which can be availed. And that right would ensure freedom, that would ensure equality, that would ensure non-exploitation, and that would ensure justice itself, legal justice. तो किसी भी समाज की बुनियाद में जो कानून के प्रति, जो व्यवस्था के प्रति एक इज्जत, एक रिस्पेक्ट और एक डर का भाव होना चाहिए, उसे सुनिश्चित करने के लिए ये जरूरी है कि कानून का अनुपालन हो. It is necessary that the laws must be enforced and they should be seen to be enforced. How will that be possible? And that possibility is what is this book. So it changes the very notion of how we perceive society and how we perceive the Constitution and our access of justice.